Welcome back, everyone, as we continue to learn some common and not so common phrases in Garifuna. Starting with Ida Hayangi Familia, Ida Hayangi Familia, or Magadetia Familia, Magadetia Familia, how is your family? La Madina, La Madina, I am hungry. Uati gufaradana. Uati gufaradana. I don't understand. Alugatina buagu. Alugatina buagu. I miss you. Ihi. Ihi. Or mafuna. Mafuna. Maybe. Halia yadigu. Halia yadigu. Where are we? Halia kumo. Halia kumo. Where is the bathroom? Ao soon, or Nuguya soon, me too. Ka beta gube, what do you think? Busetina narumugu, I am sleepy. Mi gifeti uma, the road is long. Halia Gay Biabi, where are you from? Thank you once again for stopping by. And remember, practice makes progress. Until the next lesson, Sareme, ayo.